Welcome to this channel, guys. In this video we are going to learn how to design this business card with PixelLab. Alright, before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, to get started, this is the standard business card in size in pixels. So the width is 1098, the height is 648. Alright, let's get started. Now we need an object. Which is this object. The color is going to be black. Okay, so firstly, let's move over here. I want to change the color of this workspace, so let it be white. All right, now what we're going to do is that we need to resize this. Okay, all right, now let's move to max. All right, now let's edit it. This is going to come down here. Okay, this is going to come down here. Okay, this has to come up like this. You need to set it properly. You need to make sure that you set it properly so it's going to look nice. You understand? All right, I think this is okay. Let me see how it looks. All right, let me move to max again. Let me make sure that this place aligns properly. Alright, I think this is cool. Let's bring it down more from here. I think this is good. Okay, so what we're going to do is that let's duplicate it. So this one we're going to hide it, so we'll be working on this one. So what we're going to do now is that let's resize it and bring it up. Okay, yes. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that I think is this one. Let's delete this, let's copy this, then we hide it. So this one has to come up. It has to come up more. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to copy this one. Firstly, before we do that, let's merge it with another object, which is going to be a black, which is going to have a black color. All right, this is good. So we have merged it with another object, so let's copy it. I have copied it. Okay, did you see it? I have copied it. So since I have copied it, let me change the color of this one that I have copied. It's going to be white color. Now let me move to position and bring it downward. So when I bring it downward, it's going to come behind this one. Anyway, let me merge it with an object. It's going to come behind this one. Okay, all right. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that we need to unveil this one. So when we unveil it, let's bring it downward. Okay, what we're going to do now is that we need, let's bring it downward entirely. Let's move over to max. So when we move over to max, this is going to come up here. Firstly, let's bring it down. Okay, let me resize it. Let me lock these two, so that I can work on this one. Okay, this one has to come down here. You need to make sure that you set it properly in a way that is going to look nice. We still need to work on it more. Okay, all right, I think this is okay. I think this is good. So what we're going to do now is that we need to merge it with another object. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Just follow the steps, you will get it. I believe that you can do better than I. All right, I'm merging it with another object. So let's bring it downward. Let me change the color. It's going to be gradient. I think I'm gonna choose this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Now let me Let me move it inside with the help of position. Okay, I think it's the white one that needs to be moved inside. Alright, let me move it inside. I think this is good. Yeah, this is nice. So the next thing that we're gonna do now is that we need to copy this one again. So when we copied it, we bring it over here. So when we bring it over here, what we're gonna do now is that we're going to copy it again. Let's change the color of this one. Okay, let me lock this one. Let me move to position. I have to bring it downward. I think it's okay like this. Click on good. Now let's merge the two. So when we merge the two, we move to erase color. Let's erase the red color. We are done with that. Now the next thing that we're gonna do now is that we are going to merge it with another object. Okay, all right, let's bring another shape. It's going to be white. Let's use it and cover this whole place and merge the two. And merge the two. Since I've merged the two, let me move to erase color. Erase color, enable. I think I have to merge it with another object. It's going to be black color. I think this is good. Let's move to position and move it upward. I think this is okay. Now let's move to color, enable color, gradients. I think I'm gonna choose this one. All right, this is nice. Okay, now we are going to work on the logo. The logo is going to be this color. Firstly, let me lock all these ones. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me bring out another object. This object is going to be black. Okay, it's going to have a border radius. Okay, let me copy it and bring it down here. Let me copy it and bring it down here. Alright, now let me merge the three of them. Let me zoom in. Let me increase the size. This is good. Let me merge two of them. Let me crop it. Alright, I think this is okay. Nice, this is good. Okay. I think I'm gonna need the test. Let me bring out the test. Let me change the font. I think I'm going to use this font. Let me change the color. Let me copy it. Let me change the font. Let me zoom in. I think this is good. All right, this is awesome. Okay, let's merge the three of them, or let's leave it like that. Okay, let me copy this one and bring it over here. Let me change the color. The color is going to be black. Let me edit it. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me move to style. Italics, good. I think this is good. Awesome, this is nice. The final thing to do, merge the thread. I think I made a mistake. We merge this on this, no, and this. All right, let's increase it, bring it down here. All right, the front is done. This is awesome. Now let's save our work. You save as image, ultra, you click on save to gallery. Let's save our project. It's going to be card 1. All right, now let's save card 2. The back is going to be card 2. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we have to undo. Yes, we have undo. Perfect. Let's see, we have to undo. Okay, this is great. So what we're gonna do now is that we need to merge these. We need to merge this, and this. Okay, so when we merge them, all right. Okay, when we merge them, we have to rotate it 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Let me check if it is 90 degree. Okay, no, not this one. Rotate. Yes, this is 90 degree. All right, so let's resize it. We need to resize it well. Okay, I think this is good. I think this is okay. So what we're going to do now is that we need to cover this whole place with a black object. All right, so let's bring it downward. Yes, let's delete these ones. We don't need it, but we need this one. Let's lock 2 of them. All right, so what we're going to do now is that we have to change the font color. This one, let's crop it. Did you see how I'm cropping it? Yes, this is how you do. Just click the this circle. Yes, you are going to crop it in a circular pattern. So have you seen it now? So the name, let me change the font color. The color will be black. All right, the next one, which is this one, let me change the font color. The font color is going to be black also. All right, this is good. Let me zoom in. Okay. Let me zoom out. I think this is good. All right, this is good. The next thing that we're gonna do now is that we need another object, which is going to be over here. So it's going to be narrow. Okay, but I reduce the color. Let me see. Let me zoom in. Let me bring it over here. All right, I think this is good. Maybe I have to move this inside. Yes, position. I think I have to move it inside. All right. Okay, let me copy this. Let me change the color, white. All right. Okay, let me copy it. Let me move to style, italics. This one, color. Okay, I think this is good. All right, this is nice. Let me work on it more. All right, this is nice. Let's bring out our icons. Let me zoom in. It's going to be over here. Let me zoom in. Okay. Let me bring out the next icon. Let me zoom in. All right. Let me bring out the next icon. All right, now let me copy this text and bring it over here. Okay, all right, let me merge these two. All right. Okay, let me copy it and bring it down here. Let me copy it and bring it down here. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do, we measure all of them. Since we have done that, let's resize it and bring it over here. All right, so when you are done, you click on save, as image, ultra save to gallery. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you soon.